My name is Zai. So, if mahilig ka magbasa, if your hobby is just to read with your pastime or like after work or after school, it doesn't matter. Or if you're reading it in phone or like Kindle or hard copy, then this is for you. We're gonna be friends. And today, I've decided to reread the Casa Leona series by Ate J. If hindi niyo po alam yung Casa Leona, it's a series written by Jonax. And you can find her on her Jonax app. I think it can be downloaded on both iOS and Android. She's my favorite author, like of all time. Read several English authors, but it's just different pag si Ate J. All her stories are like home. Like they're all connected to me. Anyways, I decided to reread Costa Leona series. If you guys are watching, also read the Casa Leona series, then we can chat. I have the hard copy, but I don't have the 3 and 4. I haven't ordered that yet. Ang hirap-hirap mag-order dito sa hard copy ng Casa Leona kasi paunahan siya. I think nasa page siya ni Jonah Montefalco. Like, paunahan talaga siya. There's a certain time and date to order. You have to really check. Pag chinek mo siya, the next day, wala na. The form that you have to fill up, it's closed na. And this one takes like years for me to have kasi I have to order it and then ship it to my mom in the Philippines kasi nasa Guam ako nakatira. And so kapag uwi ako ng Pinas, I have to take it back here. So it's a long process to get here and I'm really happy na I have it. So far wala pa akong 3 and 4 and then the 15 book of the series, it's not done yet and I haven't read that in the Jonax app as well kasi gusto ko siyang basahin when I got the book. Sadly, we don't have the 3 and 4 yet, pero I'm just gonna read the 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The Casa Leona series, it consists of 15 stories. Yung na-publish lang ay yung 10 pa lang. So, the 5 books, hindi pa siya na-publish. Pero done na yung 4 books. But the last one is hindi pa siya tapos. Yeah, we're gonna be rereading it again. I'm not gonna talk about my favorite yet on that series. We're gonna start on Scorching Love. That's the first series of the Casa Leona and I read that siguro mga high school ako nung na-read ko siya and it's on Wattpad pa. Wala pa yung Jonax app that time. So far, it's really good. I'm not gonna say ranking yet on the series. Babasahin ko siya ulit and we'll see if it still feels the same. Hope you guys will continue watching this. I think this video I'm gonna be reading Cosa Leona 1. If you wanna reread with me, then come along with me. Says here on the front. So spoiler, the sun sees the way you love. The sun remembers how bright you burn. Love still, heartaches disappear. Burns, heals, love still. If you're like planning to get the hard copy of, know na it's really worth it kasi meron siyang special chapter at the end na wala siya sa Jonax app. Which is why I wanted to have the hard copy as well. Mga certain parts na parang chininch Ate Jonna. So, kung iniisip niyong kunin nyo na guys kasi deserve nyo, promise. Medyo pahirapan lang sa pag-order. Kung makita nyo na meron ng ganyan, order na kayo. And it's really not that expensive compare sa mga English books. One book lang, like $20 more. And this one, I think mga nasa 1,400 something. If mahilig ka mag-collect ng hard copy. And it's nice, di ba? If you have any collection of books, kahit maliit lang. To be honest with you, wala talaga akong libro kasi nga, books are so expensive. To have this book in my room, pinaghirapan ko talaga siya. I've known na may mga self-publish si Ate J. In-effort ko talaga siya na mag-order, na ship, kahit matagal. Pero pag napunta na sa akin, super worth it. Ang gaan-gaan lang sa feeling na makita mo yung mga gusto mo na book. It's really my prized possession. At least merong app si Ate Jonna na free. All readers can read it in free. And that's just so amazing and so thoughtful for Ate J na yung mga readers makapag-read ng for free. Kasi ko na sinasabi. So yeah, I'm gonna reread the Casa Leona. I forgot na meron palang kapatid si Snow. Kale? Kael? For me, it's Kael. So, this is the start na nagpakita si Tita Marem. And without knowing, nung first time ko 'tong binasa, hindi ko talaga siya, wala tayong idea kung ano mang story na meron pa palang story si Marem. And by the way, nasa simula pa lang ako, so I'm so excited! And what's really nice about having this hardback is merong map siya sa likod. Look at that. So when you read, you can just see kung nasa na sila. We have the Coast Hotel, and then we have itong Casa Riego. I think this map is the start talaga kasi wala pa yung bahay ni Soleil. Kasi I think sa other book, meron yung bahay ni Soleil dito sa gilid. Currently, I'm on Kabanata 45 of Scorching Love. I still have 5 more chapters to go, and then we have Wakas, which is yun yung POV ni Sibal, and then I think we have a special chapter. I'm very excited to reread this for the 10th time already. I've been reading this past few days during my break time sa work, kaya nasa Kabanata 45 na ako, like super bilis lang. And so far, ang daming nangyari. Nandito na ako sa part na magpapakasal si Bal kay Snow. Tapos na ako dun sa part na umalis si Snow kasi may nangyari. Maram threatened her to break up with si Bal kasi kung hindi, gagawin niyang lahat para maghirap sila sa si Bal. And ayaw ni Snow yun, kaya umalis siya. And knowing they don't have any communication with si Bal together, and alam ni si Bal na umalis na lang si Snow bigla-bigla, and naka-receive siya ng letter which is hindi sinulat yun ni Snow, si Marem ang nagsulat. Crazy. Riego. Percival Archer Riego, you're just, malapit ko na siya matapos, kaya tatapusin natin to today. Stav, you need to go. But then, I feel bad for Katarina as well. Kasi nga, 'di ba, childhood friend sila ni Sibal, and andun siya all this time. Like, she knows all the problems of Sibal. But then, hindi siya gusto ni Sibal eh. friend lang yung turing niya sa kanya. It's kind of sad. So I'm on the last chapter, which is Kabanata 50, and it's entitled Weddings. Wakas. Nasa wakas na ako, and ito yung POV ni Sibal. Which is all, hindi naman sa lahat ng stories ni Ate J, wakas lang yung move ng guy. May mga stories siya na duo POV, pero sa Cosa Leona series, we have the simula, and then all the chapters are POV na female main character, and yung wakas lang yung POV ng guy, which is really like, gusto ko yung ganun. Gusto ko yung, ayokong malaman kung anong iniisip ng main character. Gusto ko female main character yung POV lahat ng chapters. Ay, sa special chapter pala, POV pa rin ni Sibal. So, we have 2 chapters sa ending. Wala to sa app yung special chapter, kaya gusto ko mabili ng book para I can still read more of them. I finished. I finished the first book of the Casa Leona series, which is Scorching Love. Honestly, it feels the same. It feels the same nung una ko tong ni-read during my high school. And favorite ko pa rin siya. And dati kasi hindi mo pa alam kung sino yung mga nasa story na iba eh. Alam mo lang na it's a series. There's gonna be a lot of books. So like, hindi mo pa talaga alam kung sino yung mga characters. And now na nabasa ko na lahat ng book sa series except the last one, it just feels the same. Kahit ilang ulit ko pang reread to, hindi ako magsasawa kasi this is my favorite series sa lahat ng nasulat ni Ate J. And yeah, I will rate this siguro mga 4.5 stars. Kasi to tell you honestly, this is not really my favorite story of the series. My favorite story is probably Weaves of Memories. That one, I've read 100 times. 100 times already. Kasi favorite ko talaga siya. I love Ali so much. But yeah, I really enjoyed this story and hopefully mabasa niyo din to. I really recommend to read Casa Leona series by Jonax. If you don't have the hard copy, you can also read that on Jonax app. It's available on both Android and iOS. And basahin nyo lahat. Basahin nyo lahat to story si Ate J. Really, really recommend. It's not just, it's not just a story. It's about, ang dami mong learn when you read Ate J stories, and her writing is just so good. Like, the words that she explained, the words that she put on this book is grabe. It just blows my mind. It like altered my brain chemistry. Grabe si Ate J. Minsan napapaginipan ko na yung mga characters ni Ate J. Sa totoo lang. I don't know why. But if you're first time reading Ate J stories, I suggest you to read yung mga first stories, yung Montefalco series, Art of Seduction series, Baka Sakali series, like way, way before pa ng mga book niya. I suggest na basahin niyo din and then go into the Casa Leona series para hindi kayo mabigla. Pero you can also read Casa Leona series first. It's not the same universe as the other series that she has. Ibang universe to, na Casa Leona siya. But then, she has other series which is called Rara Ave series. Mga main characters dun ay part sa Casa Leona series. So, they have other series pero ibang genre lang siya. It's more of an action, thriller-ish, pero may romance pa din. And I really like that series too as well. I'm waiting for the hard copy of that one because I'm gonna buy it for sure. Yeah, hope you had fun rereading Castellana series with me. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And sana mabasa niyo din tong Castellana series, or if nabasa niyo na siya, comment down below so we can talk it about. I really want to talk about this book. I'll see you on my next reading vlog.